Hey everybody, we are currently in Valladolid, Mexico. In today's video, we're gonna do an Airbnb tour of the Casa Tulita. $25 US, you can't go wrong. So let's go check it out.
All right, let's take a look and walk inside. So here's the area, main area that you share. Nicely decorated. Right there is gonna be my wheels for the day, a nice little green cruiser. And this is our kitchen area. We have full use of anything in here. We've got a fridge, freezer. Right there is another room. It's a family room. Saw a family go in there today. And here is my room. Nice big bed. Lots of room to hang your clothes if you'd like. TV, all in Spanish, no English channels. Bed's pretty comfy too. Nicely decorated. Here's the bathroom. We had a shower today and the water was nice and hot. A little patio view. Not the greatest. Let's see if we could open this right up. Here we go. I guess that's for me if I need to escape during a fire.
Hey, so what'd you think of that Airbnb? Let me know down in the comments below. It was a great stay, great location. The dude that runs it, Avier, awesome dude. Tell him that I sent you. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you like, you subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff, and we'll see you in the next destination.